Hey, good day. This is Alex from Internet Well Secrets. So in today's reviews, we have this new cloud apps called CopyBlock, right? So CopyBlock is to be launched tomorrow, 11 a.m. EXT on this JV2's marketplace, right? So what is CopyBlock all about? CopyBlock basically is AI's power cloud is able to auto-generate sales copy and all the copywritings, right? Okay, so if you're looking for content for your emails, right, marketing, or you're looking for some social media post content, or you're writing your own sales page or landing page, you don't know how to get started, right? Okay, so this copy block is able to help you to generate sales copy or any of the content, marketing content within minutes, right? So and the best part about here is there's just a few simple steps you are able to generate the copywriting you need, right? Okay, so with these two in place, you don't have to go to Fiverr and pay a high price to people to get you all this copywriting and some more. The best part is come with the commercial, right? Mean to say you can use this tool also to generate copywriting and sell it to the business and make a lot of money out, right? So in this review videos, if you click the link below this video, you're going to come to my review page, right? I've actually done a review of this CopyBlocks and listed now some of the pro here. So you can see it's instantly generate profitable high converting marketing copy in seconds, right? And it can even translate your marketing copy into 120 languages, right? It saves money and time cheaper than professional writer, okay? And 500 times faster than human, right? Easy to use, no coding and writing skill. You don't need any technical skill. How to, you don't even have the writing skill, how to start writing. You don't have all those things, right? And you're in total control over the tone of your marketing copy to match a blend and wise, right? Okay. So yeah, so here is a review, and with this launch of this copy blog, I have also prepared a lot of what we call it as bonuses come together with this copy blog, right? Okay, again, when you actually click any of the link inside my review page here, right, any of the button here, it will bring you to this sales data like this. It says that the new Tesla bot write all your marketing copy for you and your clients, right? So this is a very advanced tools cloud app. Is not a normal type of this AI's powers copywriting tools, right? So this is very advanced high tech, and this is even six figure. This AI power, why this Tesla bot is even as advanced as the Tesla technologies, right? So this is what it tried to say, right? So feel free to search through all this sales page, right? Okay, okay, and there's a lot of information being captured here. Definitely, this is going to be a very powerful tool, right? Okay, let's take a look into, before I go to the bonus, have a look into the front end. The front end is 47 only, right? Okay, so you get the bundle 297 one time buy. You can have the upsell 1 2 3 4. Front end you can just have this 297. Everything is one time only. Time project 40,000 credit to drive this come with a credit, right? Okay, right? All these different type of the marketing sales letter, right? And we have this also upsell one unlimited copies, right? And the upsell one is $97 per year, unlimited, right? Okay, it's still worth it, right? It's 97 per 1 year. Upsell to small copy category can email writer, sentence improver, simplify sentence and expand sentence with new category coming in next few months, and this even have more function feature, right? Okay, if you have upsell to agency, right? This have the client team access, mean to say you are actually buying agency, right? For this mean to say you are acting you as an agency to actually to give access to sell these services. These copywriting tools give access to your client, your or the teams also they can also use this tool to do their own copywriting. 47, right? The essentially just dashboard done for you copywriting agency package also, right? And upsell first is a digital marketing agency success package. Get 10 new state agency kit in one awesome package, right? All right, upsell 5. The seller license 30 to 50 account, right? Can you sell it as a product and make lot of money out of this, right? So that's about sum up this review. Instant generate, one click translate, save money and time, create and easy to use. This is all with the fantastic tool, right? So with this CopyBlocks, I'm giving you $2 cashback if you purchase this CopyBlock via the link below my video here. It's only for me only. I'm giving this offer to you give me a PayPal ID and we send you back the cashback also, right? Okay, so with this CopyBlock, I have actually bundled 2 special bonus if you buy any of the OTO with this front end, right? You're entitled to get my 2 very famous product. You see, this product is very unique in the sense, right? And this is a DIY money. This means to say you don't have any list to send to actually to promote any offer. Then you can type into my list, make money online list, and start promoting any offer to this name this, and it could be affiliate offer a digital product, right? And also next one is my own product. Again, it's access to 6,000 PLR ebook and videos, so just FE and OTO. If you buy any OTO, this is 6,000 ebook and videos. Actually, is one of my very famous product, right? And you can actually download all this ebook and video at your own space, and actually you can actually sell it and get 100% on the profit, right? Okay, if you just want to buy the front end with $47, right, it will be the conversion, right? Like this fantastic offer, 3.6 million affiliate article and image for blog content, right? I'm offering links to you again. BLR article is something you can resell it and make 100% of the profit. If you are not using this for your blog content, you can use it for the purpose also. Ultimate marketing kit. This is another very powerful bonus. I don't think you can find this bonus in any of the other place have done for you marketing template to sell your product and service online. This is very similar to what CopyBlocks is going to try to offer to you, right? So this is something I have my own product for you. I'm actually giving this as a bonus, so you can actually use this ultimate marketing kit to create sales page, landing page, on the bump, upsell page, Facebook app, and all this email content, blog posts, things like that, right? Okay, so just this alone is going to cost you a lot of value here, right? Imagine you can use it together with your CopyBlock, and also you can easily make your own sales page, right? Okay, right? So you have more advantage. You can use it together with CopyBlock. Definitely, it's going to bring you more benefit. So we have this 15 free traffic method. You do know, make use of this traffic source. It definitely is going to double, triple, or 15 times more the traffic, paid underground traffic sources, right? And this is a digital traffic app, the VAR and JavaScript commission, the best Instagram traffic app also, right? And 3x the best Twitter traffic app, and social media marketing tool on a cloud app as well. You can use it to easy auto pause, schedule Instagram post along with the Facebook and Twitter. That's right. And videos are likely giveaway. If you like to have my 250 videos as a content for your promote your blog as site giveaway for engagement, and you can use it for different purposes, right? Alright. So you also have the audio wizard. You are creating some audio track for your video, then you can make use of this audio wizard, right? And exclusive list building training with 100 free solo app. By the end of training, you're giving 100 free solo app also. And YouTube Hack 2021 YouTube channel SEO. All these are really high quality. About the trick and secret how to rank your YouTube channels and things like that. And definitely this is going to help you a lot of when you're actually using this YouTube video marketing. Again, a high ticket system is actually, so let me close this 1 second, okay? Let me close it. Okay, so high ticket system is actually video tutorial how to sell high ticket program, make high ticket commission, and super affiliate software funnel has 3 best our affiliate software you can sell as part of the funnel behind the super affiliate reseller. And also 50 SEO tool on the cloud app, you can use it to actually to rank your site blog, right? And also product launch attack. This is how to make the best of your get the best JV to promote your product. if you are launching your own product. And this is again the email search. You see how trick and how to actually increase your emails open rate and click rate also. The CPM 250k funnel kit is more like a cloud. This is a click funnel. You don't have to pay $99, but you are getting this funnel kit from me also without any additional cost. With Spark Video Creation, Cloud App, and Wallet Traffic Cloud App, this is all the high quality cloud I'm giving to you, all the traffic software, all the trick how to get more lead and sale traffic. I'm actually bundled to it as a part of the bonuses, right? And this is affiliate store builder. We have this free training how to make money without selling, and 100 giveaway. Build your list using the giveaway. Giveaway means to say you have video, ebook, software template, and my very last a big special bonus bundle. No one on the earth is ever going to give you this kind of bonus bundle whereby you can have all this inside here. You can have a look inside here also. And this is 3,000 emails for complete email marketing video, 100 free, over 100 of software, and also make money on the video training course. This is 80 top product from 80 top marketer. So everything you'll be getting over 300 plus bonuses, right? You're going to get just for $47, and I believe this some bonuses are given by the vendor, which is going to get it together here, right? Okay, some of the premium bonuses, example, this is some of the bonuses. All the bonuses you'll be getting in the individual areas upon after you purchase via my link. Again, so I'm throwing more 10 more exclusive bonuses, right? Okay, here is 600,000 YouTube view case study, how to find course high paying client, what the secret exposure, and this is dominate YouTube without showing your face or voice. 16,000 lead case study, invest in the blending blueprint, and storytelling marketing, Pinterest profit, via Reseller, and also we have Facebook execute advanced scaling for this high quality bonus, right? Okay, so take fast action, click the link below my video. You're going to come to my review page. Just click on this orange button, will take you to this CopyBlocks sales page, right? So why you should be get the next question you may be asking you, why should I choose CopyBlock? What is the advantage here? You see, today if you go to Fiverr, I can just quickly show to you before I go to the demo for you, right? Okay, if you're looking for copywriting services, right, a lot of services like this, you can have a look of how much these people is making out of these copywriting services, right? Example, if you want to do a copywriting, you can see this is selling at over 1,000 sales. This is 325. You can see for your eye yourself. 100 word they're charging 25. Standard they're 55. Okay, so this is even more expensive. Okay, there are people willing to pay 300 plus for a basic sales page, 3 email campaigns, right? They have more, 495, 895. There are people willing to pay this price, right? Okay, so you can see by buying this copy block, you can easily produce this marketing content for your own project, or you can sell it for your client's project, and you can also make with the commercial, right? You are able to make a lot of profit out of these copywriting services. You can become your own copywriting agency to sell these services to business, right? Okay, so that is one of the way how you can make money and save money using this CopyBlocks. Right. So without further delay, let me quickly show to you about the demo of this copywriting. Okay, so here I have a pre-recorder. I can quickly explain to you out of this CopyBlock. Okay, so basically this is what you'll be seeing after you buy this CopyBlock. It is simple interface. There's not a lot of link here, but because this is AI powered tool, right? Almost every step to generating is all AI power. You can see what you can do is when you come to here, you can just add a project. Just click add a project. Let me click show to you. You can just add a project, give a project name, right? Let's say you are doing this for your customer called KB partner. Okay, so here is how we do. Okay, right? So just answer a few questions, right? Okay. So what is the name of your product of offer? So the product offer is called KB partner. Okay. So you say how will you describe your product offer? Alright. So here is how it do, right? So just have a look into here. Okay. So there's only two things you need to key in your product name and the describe the product offer, right? Then it can actually quickly take you to the next step, which is an AI automated way. Okay, so you can see this all different category, right? AI means AI power, right? Okay, so this is attention, interest, desire, and action here. Okay, right? So this is how with only two input you are able to generate this different content by category. Okay, so example again, you say we provide accounting service, and with this product description is able to generate all this. Okay, for as part of your sales copy. Right, just an example, right? Okay, so there are many things you can have a different category like you can choose between website or e-commerce. You want to write the headline, sub-headline, product description, product page for a website and e-commerce, for example. Then you can choose this different headline category, product description. Then you can just with these two key information in place, then you are able to generate the rest of the content easily by the AI's powers tool. You even can translate into 100 over languages, right? Okay, so you can choose. You are going to write a social ad, Facebook, primary text of whichever category you choose. The AI tool will be able to generate all these different content for you, right? Okay, so that's a fantastic way of doing this. There are many tools like this in the market before, but nothing has been can match to the CopyBlock. The way CopyBlock behave is you don't have to provide a lot of information, right? A lot of things is we self-generating by the AI, and you can just what you need to do is just choose a category you want, right? Okay, like for example, blog, you want to write a blog post idea, post title, article, post outline, all those kind of things. They can generate this thing for you easily, right? Sales copy, pen, digitize. This is different sales copy type. Okay, pen, gain, claim, and feature to manufacture. This is different type of the sales copy, right? So this how powerful it is tool, if you can see, right? Okay, and you can edit the answer also. Or once they generate, you can edit, or you can generate the copy, right? The AI can use, you can generate the copy also, right? Don't have to use a default, right? So that's what you're trying to request. Copywriting is sales copy, and company is a value proposition or motto, things like. So almost any kind of marketing content you need, all right? You can able to do this for you automatically by just keying the two parameter, product name and also the product description, right? Everything, the rest will be done for you by the AI, right? So this is basically the idea behind the CopyBlock, right? And you have this team. If you get the agency, you are acting as an agency, copywriting agency, again, you can use this same feature to sell this access to your businesses. Businesses, they can also use this to actually to produce their own copywriting. So that's the idea here. So I hope you got the idea here. So take fast action now and click the link below this video. Definitely, I have the best bonus bundle in the market for this CopyBlocks. Take fast action today and don't hesitate. You can serve now. No one is ever able to offer you this kind of bonus bundle, but except for me, right? Okay, I have done 100 review for any kind of product, right? It can feel free to serve now in internet or secret.net. Over 300 review I have done for over 300 plus bonus, right? And myself is also a product producer, right? And I'm also a pro affiliate marketing. So feel free to drop me an email. Anything you want, anything you feel interested when you see anything for the interest internet marketing.net. I'm happy to help you to offer you with my best bonus package. All right. Thank you and have a nice day. So take fast session today. Click the link below this video and grab this CopyBlock together with over 300 plus bonus bundle. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.